Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can download and import fonts into your CapCut app. So I'm just going to go to thefont.com first and just press the download button on any of the fonts you want. So select download here, and I already downloaded it, so I'm just going to select the downloads button here. Downloads, select the zip file, and you are just going to select the file again and press. Actually, once you're done with that, once you've done like importing the files and like opening the folder, so you have to press on the folder first of the zip file to open it. Go to CapCut and then add text. So go to text, go to add text, and just type in anything you want. I'm just going to type an example. Select the font, add a font, and press the plus button, and select the font that you just downloaded. And that is basically it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!